Today, I'd like to share with everyone a day in the life of our Teverun electric scooter test rider. We fold up the electric scooter, load it onto the vehicle, and then drive to the outdoor test site. After arriving, the test rider puts on the protective gear and begins the testing. The first step is to swipe the card to power on. The second step is to check functions such as the lock buckle, battery level, brakes, lights, and the horn. The model we're testing today is the Fighter Mini Pro. Next, we will test it on different road surfaces. First, paved roads. Second, outdoor sand and gravel roads. The vehicle's suspension smoothly filters out bumps, ensuring a comfortable and steady ride. Then comes the hill climbing test. The climbing angle is 30 degrees with a load of 65 kilograms. Throughout the day, multiple repeated hill climbing tests are conducted, followed by continuous real-world testing and data collection to ensure that each model completes more than 500 hours of high-intensity durability testing. Day after day, we do it for one reason: to protect every Inshin journey. We strictly control quality and create safe electric scooters together.